Hey, MonkeyBoo, you got a playful mood today? Do a little flip right there. Good boy. Wait, wait, hold on. All right, so today we're gonna play with MonkeyBoo squirt ball. You ready? Those are big squirts. Here, let's take it back so we can show. Watch. A minute. Oh. That's why I have the towel out, boo. Remember, this come in your mail last week, boo. This is a great, this is a great idea. Well, boo, you can do it like this. Turn it up, boo. Come on, I'm gonna do. See, have room. Go ahead, get you a big drink. He's like, Daddy, you squirted me. I'm mad. That water's cold. Get him a big drink. No, hold on. Here, you do it like this. See, look, boo. Now, he says a squirt bottle, use the squirter. Do you love it? Oh, he's gonna open it. No, don't take that off. That adjusts it, boo. Ooh. Oh, he squirt. Fix it. Turn it this way. Like you're gonna open it. Take it off of there, boo. Hurry. There you go. Gotta pull it all the way out. Lift it out. Yeah. Keep going. There you go. He's like, oh, it won't work if you do that now. We're not gonna, he's like, I want to investigate to see how it works. You're not gonna bite it. No, that won't squirt no more. Now it's just squirting air. Oh, there's a little bit of water left in there. It's not even doing nothing, boo. You want some more water? Put it back in here. You gotta put it in the bottle. Good job, boo. All the way. There you go. Tighten it back up. Here, I'll get you started there. Wait a minute. Now, you gotta put it on there good. Now tighten it up. You almost, you ready? Here we come. So I'll give you guys a demonstration. You guys see me squirt. Let's see on the towel here. Oh, we're on mist still, boo. Right, put it back on mist. You like that better? It's like that. I guess. Is this fun, boo? You having fun? Alright, work on it a little bit, then I gotta dry you off. No, don't spill it out. You're silly. Take the top off if you want to. Is that your favorite setting, boo? Really? See, this makes it spray, boo. Let's put that back on there. Everybody's really impressed with how you took it off, I'm sure. Alright. You did great, Boo. Couple more squirts, sir. Alright, guys. Boo has his own squirt bottle. This was a great gift idea, right, Boo? You love it? You're gonna make a messes. You're silly. Alright, Boo. No, we're not opening it up again. Alright, Boo, come here, let me dry him off. Let me dry him off a little bit. You got it all wet. You hear your brother Happy? He's ready to play too. He's like, let me play with that water bottle. Oh boy. Alright, Boo, you did good. Shake my hand. Have you got a water bottle kiss? Oh, good boy. Get my shoulder. Yep. Alright, Boo. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Go give everybody a little fist bump. So, see you guys.